Hey, what's good, guys? Welcome again to another KOFFI Noir unboxing. I'm Dudene Brew of KOFFI Noir, and today we have a treat for you guys. So we have a couple client orders here today that we're going to take a look at, and show you guys what we're working with. Super excited about these orders, and let's dive in. So what I'm pulling out here is our Dennis Belgian slipper. Recently, we have had clients requesting these for their weddings, and for sure, we want to make sure that we're able to provide that for some of our clientele. These are just a recent example of, some really stylish, very elegant footwear that we offer here at KOFFI Noir. And by far, these are my favorites. The ivory suede with the dark brown lining. I don't know if you could tell, it's actually pebble grain lining, lightweight slipper, really, really nice for black tie events, weddings, you name it. Or if you're a stylish person like me, you just find yourself out and about in a pair of these joints right here. And I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed. We have a leather sole here that's actually painted dark green. I don't know if you could tell, but yeah, it's a dark green with a brown outsole, as you can see right there. Just the details, everything about this shoe, I love it so much. Just look at that suede, man. That suede is so beautiful. Very lightweight and an elegant shoe, I must say. These turned out really well. And really just, I'm just impressed by this suede. This suede is very buttery, and, let's check these out real quick. So I'm pulling out our Nubia shoe trees. I recommend you order a pair with your shoes. It's very important for the longevity and maintaining the integrity of the uppers of your shoes. Also, just taking a look here at this lining. I don't know if you can see it really well, but it's a brown lining, very soft. Again, all of our shoes are made with 100% leather. And for those of you that may not know this, but suede is actually leather. So all suede is the backside of the outer shell of a leather that you typically see, and that's what gives us suede. So basically, they flip the leather inside out to make this. So, with that being said, this is our Dennis Belgian loafer or Belgian slipper. And guys, let me know what you think. On to our next client's order. This client in particular ordered our Luke Double Monk Oxford in a cognac patina. As you guys can see, we have some burnishing on this pair. With some gold buckles. He elected for the gold buckles. Also, these are Goodyear welted, by the way. So, as you guys know, at KOFFI Noir, all of our shoes are Goodyear welted, meaning that allows you the ability to resole them. Again, as you guys can see here, you see that nice burnishing. He also requested some red bottoms, so we're able to do that for him. Again, this is a beautiful shoe. Look at the details on this Double Monk. Yes, of course, you have the bevel toe on our Seville last. Again, you can go with a round toe if you want. You could choose some of our more beveled last. Here, as you guys can see, our Nubia shoe trees. Again, we have a brown leather lining. Of course, as I mentioned, all of our shoes are made with 100% calf full grain leather. So yeah, look at that. Also, you have an open channel Goodyear welted sole. If you guys want a closed channel sole, usually we can do that for you with a gold tap as well that we'll put on there to cap it, just to maintain the integrity of your soles. And these came out looking really nice, and I can't wait to see our client's reaction when he received these in the mail. Lastly, we have another client's order who also ordered the Luke Double Monk Oxford, but this time elected for more of a traditional full grain calf leather with some burnishing, of course. These shoes are special because, you know, this person is getting married soon. So I was super excited to make him a pair of our shoes. He also elected for gold buckles. But as you can see with the other pair, those buckles were round. Here we went with squared buckles. Of course, he wanted a blue sole, so we're able to do that. And as I was explaining to you with the other Luke Double Monk, this one is a closed channel, as you guys can see here, with a gold metal toe tap. Again, this is a fine shoe. He also elected to go with the Seville last as well, which is what's giving it that bevel look. Also, we're able to put his initials on the heel. We do charge for that, of course. If that's a touch that you would like to have on your shoes, most definitely we can accommodate you. Also, we are waiting on a pair of shoe trees to come in the mail as well, because we also got his shoe trees engraved or whatnot, but we don't have them with us yet, but they should be completed soon. And yeah, we also can do that for you as well if you want your shoe trees engraved with your initials also. But other than that, look at this shoe. This is a beautiful shoe. I like that real rich honey color with some burnishing on there. That's kind of just, man, making this shoe look real good. And I can't wait to see our client on his big day wearing a pair of our Luke Double Monk Oxfords. So yeah, with that being said, that's it for the KOFFI Noir unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, you guys can find us at koffinoir.com. You can email us at info@koffinoir.com. Also, you can find us on Instagram at info@koffinoir. And yeah, if you want something, hit us up. We got you. Until next time, y'all stay blessed. Peace.